Hello students, we're going to go through the process of using our electronic health record, and we're going to use the first dose system, and it is to simulate the use of a Pyxis or a MedCart or an Omnicell. So the first thing you do is log in using your username and password. You will have this available to you the day of your simulation. It will be written on the board for you. So the username is 2 student 1. Your password is password 1. After you have logged in, you're going to go to remove item, which is here, and you're going to click on it. You're going to scroll down until you find your patient. Our patient is going to be Robert Jones. So I'm going to click on his name to make it green, and then I'm going to click Next. I'm going to remove some medications for Mr. Jones. So I can actually remove more than one if I need to. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all 3 that are listed here, because I'm going to look at my orders on DocuCare and know what to withdraw. So if they're grayed out, it means they're not available, and you cannot withdraw these out from the MedCart. So you may have to look in the patient's actual MedCart in the med room when you go to draw up your medications. I'm going to click Next when I'm ready. And because I have a controlled substance, I have to have a secondary authentication. So my second authentication is instructor. We'll have this available for you as well. And instructor 1 is the password. Oops, must not have it right. Whenever I hear the click and both circles are green, I'm ready to pull out my controlled substance. This is in the A drawer. I'm going to show you. So if you're pulling it out from the cart, it's going to be the top drawer. It's going to be A. So I'm going to pull that up. Then I'm going to lift my cart. Then I have to find what I need. And if you look at it, it is controlled substance, drawer A, but it's going to be compartment 3. So that's what 3 means. So if you find the drawer that matches what you see on the screen, then that works really well. So I'm going to pour my drawer. Now with controlled substances, you have to count how many. So I'm going to count how many I have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 9. So I'm going to go ahead and pull one out, close the drawer, and it says for you to, hold on, I'm going to put this back up on my holder. It has you to put the quantity after removal, so you have to put that there. So the quantity after removal would be 8. I'm going to put 8. And then I also have to scan it. So if you notice, it has a barcode scan on it. So I'm going to scan it as so by using the barcode scanner that's attached to your MedCart. Oops, that's not right. Gotta fix that. So I'm gonna click to enable scanning on here. Now I'm going to scan. You will see that the barcode, it says it has been confirmed, and I'll click Next to withdraw my other medicines. So I'm going to pull out my digoxin. And if you see here, it shows that it's drawer C, but it's bin 1. and compartment 1. So I'm going to find my C down here, and it is bin 1, which is here, and then I'll find it in my compartment 1. So I'll find my digoxin here, making sure it's the right dose, and then I'm going to withdraw it out and close the door. I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to go to drawer C, bin 2, compartment 3. If you find C, you find C, compartment 2, and then compartment 3. And I'm going to find my Novolog or Humalog. I'm going to close the door. And I'm going to click done. This tells me items that I have removed, the transaction summary for Mr. Jones. When I'm done, I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to log back out. That is how you use the First Dose cart.